Hello viewers! What we are going to be talking about is the Anker token, and because of how it's been performing, we believe that there is going to be a continued bullish ride for the rest of the year. What we particularly like is the use cases of Anker, and this is certainly going to be an eventful year for the Anker crypto users. What's up, crypto crew? This is Crypto Channel, coming back at you with another cryptocurrency video today. We do have new cryptocurrency videos coming up almost every single day. And make sure to hit that bell notification, because that's how you get updated on all of our new cryptocurrency videos. Let's quickly go through some of the key things that you need to know about Anker before we release information about what is in store for Anker. We would also like to mention here that this is not financial advice, and we are just giving you guys our honest and personal opinion on where we think these coins are going to be in the short term, as well as the long term. So that is what we are thinking about the Anker token. What is Anker? Anker is an Ethereum cryptographic token that is responsible to power the Anker network, which is basically a Web3 infrastructure, as well as a cross-chain staking DeFi platform. Its ultimate goal is to elevate levels of efficiency in blockchain ecosystems with methods like building DApps, hosting nodes, or even staking. The Anker token can be used in multiple ways. It not only pays for services that are currently available on the Anker platform, for example, node deployment and API services, but also facilitates participation in on-chain governance. In addition to this, it also takes on the role of insurance for all our network participants. Anker utilizes idle computing resources in data centers to provide aid to developers as well as enterprise clients to quickly position their desired blockchain nodes at a lower price than that of public cloud providers. Not many of you know this, but Coinbase started supporting Anker for trades only as recently as March 23, 2021. Anker price prediction. The major factor influencing price prediction of Anker, based on the recent news around the Anker coin, much to our surprise, Coinbase has added Anker tokens to their list, allowing the coins to be traded on its exchange. We all know how such an exchange is known for its reputation of strict compliance as well as regulatory stance. It is a rarity since Coinbase seldom assimilates novel cryptocurrencies to its list of offerings. This gesture shows the robustness of the coin as a cryptographic token and the technology that upholds it. Price prediction by Wallet Investor. According to price predictions of the Anker coin, as detailed and explained by Wallet Investor, there could be an elevation of as much as $0.293 by the end of 2022 and $0.184 by the end of 2025, or even a price surge of nearly 440% within the span of the next 5 years. According to their data scientists and analysts, Anker has an absolutely negligible probability to crash in the near future. In other words, there is absolutely nothing to worry about, since there is little to no possibility of any crash. This information is applicable to both the long-term and the short-term of things. This makes the coin an attractive cryptocurrency to observe and learn. Price prediction by Digital Coin. According to Digital Coin, the price value of the said coin could witness a rise by more than approximately 200% in the forthcoming 5 years, raising the price to $0.2357 in 2021, $0.3413 in 2023, and $0.4557 in 2025. Anker is a profitable investment choice, according to Digital Coin's analysts, and they do not anticipate a downward trend. Our price predictions. According to us, it is a great time to invest in Anker coins, since we feel the chances of earning a huge profit lie with taking chances with the Anker coin. Let us quickly skim through some of the latest fresh debates that are happening around the cryptographic token. As of August 15th with Anker, we are currently sitting at a price value of 10.1 cents, with a market cap of nearly $783 million. The trading volume for the past 24 hours is estimated to be $76 million. With the price value of Anker rising by more than 2,500% earlier this year and 11,000% since its inception, investors may be wondering about what will happen next. According to certain platforms like Wallet Investor and Digital Coin, the price prediction for the said coin is definitely bullish, with gestures towards an excellent Anker future price that is based on Anker's synchronic success. The Anker token has been witnessing a substantial upsurge in use, as well as the demand of late. As we delve further into the ambitious progress of the Anker project, it is disheartening to not appreciate that there is a stimulus for the price value to continue its journey onwards and upwards. Investors who are out searching for low-cost crypto investments could mind the crypto token as a thought that can be quite appealing, since its price, much like that of Bitcoin's, can also gain substantially from scarcity. What this means for buyers is that there is an ample amount of opportunity to get in the wagon with this token, as we see the supply cap approaching. We all know how the price value of every other token goes on a hike as soon as the price value of Bitcoin rises. Why we are reiterating such a fact here is that the reason behind the price surge of Bitcoin can very much be owed to its scarcity. Currently, more than 18.6 million Bitcoins have been mined, which amounts to the total supply of Bitcoins in close vicinity to the 21 million coin cap. Now, since Bitcoin is steadily increasing, so will the Anker price. Pragmatic approach to price prediction. Let's quickly go over the price prediction for both the short term and long term. We will also be analyzing the price movements of recent times. The price profit has been approximately up by 15%, and the price chart graph has not been fluctuating too much in the last week. Currently, it is up by 25%, and in the past year, it was up 924% on Coinbase. It peaked at about 23 cents, and obviously, it came down from 23 cents since then, and is currently valued at about 10 cents. For the short-term prediction, it is likely that Bitcoin and Ethereum will continue to have a big August, and so will Anker. Even the Ethereum 2.0 update will have a major role to play in boosting its value. Now, analysts predict that Bitcoin is expected to go above 50K, and when that happens, we think that we'll see Anker get back up to its 15 or 16 cents level, or somewhere around there in the short term. In the next couple of weeks, this token's momentum is expected to continue. If it does, you can profit 100 times from this token by the end of August. Doesn't that sound great? In 2021, we'll probably have a fantastic bullish run for the Anker token, and also that it would reach a value of between $1.5 to $2. That will put the market cap at around anywhere between $12 billion to about $15 billion. So, the predictions are extremely bullish on the Anker token. Such a unique case for Anker only means that we are going to witness some massive price gains in the near future. So we certainly do not understand if you do not go belly up over it. Invest wisely and reap the future benefits later. If you feel confident about the use case, it would be only wise to seek information about the same on their local website. Research is primal when it comes to trading in the crypto world. Let us know what you guys think about the Anker token in the comments below. If you don't want to miss out on important information about everything that is happening in the world of cryptocurrency, like and subscribe to this channel and whack that icon bell. So guys, we will see you soon. Until then, ciao.